Chiropractic experiments are very, very safe. There's been a lot of research done on this. Chiropractic, again, is a natural form of healthcare. We're not putting anything into the body. We're not taking anything out of the body. I think probably the most substantial research is research that's been done by malpractice insurance companies, where they look at the risk factors for all the different professions. And chiropractic consistently ranks at the lowest level of risk. The malpractice premiums are based upon that risk, and chiropractic premiums are the lowest out of just about any profession there is. We always do a specific exam, and we rule out different factors that would qualify whether a patient is a chiropractic patient or not. But with a qualified exam, chiropractic is very, very safe.